Hello everyone, this is Akash Gautam from 8th CSE4 Amity University. This is my digital presentation for communication skills 8th semester. The topic for my presentation is top technological advancements in 2013. At number 5, the first lab grown beef was eaten and it almost tastes like the real thing. After 5 years and $330,000 worth of research money, the fake beef in the world's first lab grown burger was finally cooked and eaten. It was created from stem cells in a London lab and was funded primarily by Google co-founder Sergey Brin. It's still unclear whether something like this could truly solve world hunger, but it's an incredible technological accomplishment in its own right. And number 4, voice recognition finally gets good. Apple tried to make it big splash into voice recognition in 2012 with the first version of Siri on the iPhone 5. But it wasn't until 2013 that live voice recognition was good enough to be actually worth using. From Google's integrated voice search to the Xbox One New Connect to the iPhone's 5S SS Siri, the technology has finally crossed the threshold. Computers finally understand the human voice. Number 3, flying cars get tested publicly. Alongside the jetpack, the lack of flying cars in modern society has been a constant reminder of how far we have to go for the past 50 years. But 2013 saw the first movement on this front in years. The first flying car to actually get tested out in the public. The Transition is a vehicle that can drive down the street and take liftoff with just 100 feet on a runway. It might be a strange looking car to park in the driveway, but it's just might be the most accessible and serious commercial flying car in existence. Number 2, 3D printers are taken to the next level. Not only have 3D printers successfully reached the mainstream commercial market, they're also now being used to do things that seem like something right out of a science fiction film. 2013 saw the printing of things like the first workable gun, jet parts, and even a human embryonic stem cell. And number 1, the reality of drone technologies go public. The drone story in 2013 is marked by 2 incredibly memorable moments. First, the image of Senator Rand Paul R. Kennedy taking the floor to Congress to perform a nearly 13-hour filibuster of the nomination of CIA Director John Brennan to raise the question whether the government would ever use unmanned aerial vehicles against American people. Second, the odd, idealistic and exciting promotional video for Amazon's proposed Prime Air delivery service. There's no doubting that despite the legal, ethical and political battles ahead, our future is probably going to include drones in some capacity.